Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. By default, VidCutter is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so we will add it by running the next command. Once the repository is added, update the package list with the following command. Install the VidCutter by running the next command. Once installed, you can access it into your desktop by using the system search bar or by finding it with the icon. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.